Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord N30. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display and brightness. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change display mode between light and dark. We can also schedule the dark mode, and in more dark mode settings we can change dark mode style between enhanced, medium and gentle, adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, reduce contrast in low light conditions, and enable dark mode for third-party apps. Next we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via auto brightness. Then we can change screen color mode between vivid, natural, pro mode, cinematic, brilliant, and we can change screen color temperature. Then we can enable or disable eye comfort mode, schedule it, change its intensity and effect between color and black and white. Then we can change font style, font size, font weight, and enable or disable adaptive font weight. And then we can change display size. Next, we can enable or disable image sharpener, video color boost, bright HDR video mode, auto rotate screen. We can change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable adaptive sleep, change screen refresh rate between auto, high and standard, and enable full screen mode for app and hide notch in apps. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.